This week the euro against the dollar has lost its value, and we can see the price is bouncing from this area of resistance. First of all, the price tried to move up, forming this bullish breakout, and then the price returned back down the next day, invalidating this bullish breakout, and this is the start of decline in value. And we can see in the next 2 days the price has gone down, forming a bearish breakout yesterday and 2 days ago, and then yesterday continued to lose its value, reaching a support level around 1.035 to 1. The weekly time frame shows us currently that this week has closed as a bearish candle. The previous week started with a bearish candle, and we can see this week has started to rise in value, trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, but the price has returned back down, and we can see where the price has stopped. The price has reached very close to this area of support where this close of this candle has been created. Now what we can expect in the future for this month, what we can expect is that what I can see is currently the high probability that there will be a drop here around this area around 1.03. This is the monthly time frame. On the this is the weekly time frame, and on the monthly time frame we can see what happens. This is the monthly where we have a bullish candle that has been created. But first of all, let's take a look two months before that. We can see that this is a bearish candle that has been formed, and it was indecision candle in the month before, which means there is possibility continuation of this bearish momentum. This month, the month before, has been created as an indecision candle. Why? Because we have a wick on the upper side, and we have also a candle body on the lower side, but the price is very close to the open price. We can see that from the open and close price from the month before, and we can see this was the gap how the month has opened. So what we can see here is that the first support level where the price has stopped is this one here. We can see that between these the open and close price of these two candles, and we can see that the first resistance level is this one here, where the price also could not manage to make a bullish breakout. So what we can expect for the next month? For now, because this is the price has reached the area where the open and close price indecision area from the month before, it is important to see how the price will behave on the lower time frames. And for example, weekly time frame is currently shows me that I am expecting to see the price moving further down. We can see this is the area where expected 1.03 is the next support level where I'm expecting that the price will drop. Now, will this drop continue? This is very important to see on the daily time frame. And we can see that 1.035 is the support level where the price has stopped in the past from dropping further down, where the price is bouncing back up, reaching 1.043. Will that happen? That's something that we need to watch and pay attention closely. And when the breakout happens, like in this example 2 days ago, this will be a signal for the price that the price will continue to lose its value going even further down. And we can see this is the area I have mentioned. It is 1.03. This is the support level. We can see that here very close. This is the area where the price will drop down in the next attempt when the price goes below this one. And 1.03, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see that 1.032 is the area of support, much visible what will happen. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that 4-hour time frame has created a bearish breakout below 1.03856, suggesting further decline in value. So this is something that I'm expecting to see on the Monday, to see the price going even further down, but there is possibility that the price will retrace a little bit just to confirm the previous support now acting as a resistance. Now, 1-hour time frame, we can see how this looks. In the 1-hour time frame, we had a failed bearish breakout going down, and it is currently returning back up, which means I'm expecting to see the price reaching an area here, very close to this area of supply zone, and then potentially bouncing back down. So we can see how this looks. 4-hour time frame is suggesting further decline down. 1-hour time frame is suggesting there is a potential retrace back up, and we can see the daily time frame shows us also the price has reached very close an area of this support. So it's very important to see how the price will behave on a Monday, but this something is what I'm expecting is that the price will try to make a retrace back up slightly, and then we will see what happens. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout going further up, or it will continue to lose its value, reaching 1.035 as support level on the daily time frame, and then watch closely. Each of these, we can see that bearish or bullish breakout have been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. They receive an information where the breakout happens and also what is the target. So for example, when this bearish breakout happens, the target is here, the traders are informed about this bearish breakout. So feel free to check the premium analysis, and also you can see statistics for the weekly for all the symbols that are inside the premium analysis to see what kind of results you can expect. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.